This is my unboxing of the Weber Workshop's key grinder. This is version 2. It was manufactured in early 2004, delivered to me in April 2004 from Germany. Shipping within the EU took about a week, and it arrived safely. It's very well packed. You can see all the padding material here. And it's a box within a box, so very safe. This is the Onyx version with a magic tumbler, and the first thing you see is a nice little poster that is a welcome card and points you to downloadable instructions. That's a sticker. And there's more padding that reveals some accessories: Allen wrenches, power cord, extra magnets, more padding, and the grinder itself. But there's still a few more accessories. Like a spray bottle for RDT, a dosing cup, those are some extra wipers for the magic tumbler wiper, which is right over here. And that's the grinder itself. It's very heavy for its size. It's very well packed here to protect its matte finish. But if you want to see more on how it works and my thoughts on how it grinds, well, you'll have to wait for my review. Thanks for watching.